What's up, my brownie friends? So glad you clicked play today. I know it's been a minute. My name is Shanique, for those of you who may be new to me. I know it's been a minute since we've been uploading videos. I'm so sorry, but we've been behind the scenes doing something very exciting, actually launching and building our own brand called Kisse Girl, and the amount of support we have received has been so phenomenal. Like, we've been busy fixing orders together. I've been making the products. They're my own formulations, and we've been shipping out orders so frequently that my time to build and continue to work on this channel has diminished greatly. So I'm trying to balance all of this out. I'm working with a new brand, and it's very exciting. But anyway, what this video is about is Irresistible Me, which y'all know is one of my favorite all-time brands that I have worked with over the years. They mainly have extensions, but they have hair accessories, all kind of other stuff. But they have also come out with their own line of hair care products. This is a keratin set, a two-part set. And they have the keratin clarifying shampoo, which is step 1, and then they have the keratin smoothing treatment, which is step 2. So since today is my wash day and my hair is in a great hot mess state, we're gonna do something about that. And I'm also going to use, of course, my own hair and body oil, which this is my #1 seller right now, on my hair once I am done. So you can check Irresistible Me products out. Of course, I'm gonna have it in the description box as always. Everybody knows that now. And Kisse Girl, my products, kissegirl.com. Okay, so it's not gonna be a lot of talking in this video because I'm doing that all up front to tell you what I'm doing, and then the rest of the video I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing, and at the end I'll show you the results, okay? So for step 1, the instructions tell me to apply generous amounts in the palm of my hand with hair already wet. Gently massage shampoo into the scalp using fingertips. Be sure to completely cover all hair fiber. Repeat this process for better results. So I'll probably be shampooing my hair, I'm pretty sure, 2 times. And then I'm going to use the keratin smoothing treatment. And this says to wash hair twice with clarifying shampoo, which I said I'm gonna do. Towel dry hair, apply 2 3-ounce treatment using an application brush onto 1-inch sections of hair, starting from roots to end, but do not apply directly to scalp. Continue until entire head has been treated. Let the treatment sit in for 20 minutes for fine colored hair, 35 minutes for medium coarse hair, and 40 minutes for virgin curly resistant hair, while combing hair straight every 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, I'm gonna keep this in my hair for 35 minutes because I have medium hair. Really, my hair is fine, but yeah, I'm gonna keep it in my hair for 20 minutes. So the first 10 minutes, then I'm gonna comb my hair straight, and the last 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. It says rinse the hair completely with water, rinse but do not shampoo. Then it says for me to blow dry my hair 100% straight, then flat iron 1/2-inch sections into 10 sections, 10 to 15 times per section at 350 to 450 degrees depending on your hair thickness and texture. 350 degrees for fine to medium hair, I will be on 350. And then 450 degrees for medium or coarse hair. So I'm going to flat iron my hair when I'm done with this treatment using the Irresistible Me flat iron. Of course, since these are Irresistible Me products, it only makes sense to use the Irresistible Me flat iron. But this happens to be my favorite flat iron, so regardless to what type of products I would use, this would probably be my go-to flat iron anyway. So I'm gonna use the Irresistible Me flat iron, and I'm not gonna run this through my hair. I know it is like protocol for when you're using keratin or doing a keratin treatment, it's normal to run the flat iron through the hair quite a few times. The instructions on here says 10 to 15 times. I can already tell you I'm not gonna run my flat iron through my hair 10 to 15 times because it does not take my hair that many passes to get it straight because it's so fine anyway. So, you know, maybe 2 times, maybe 3 at the most, but definitely for me, it won't be 10 to 15 times. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. There won't be much more talking throughout this video. I'll just shampoo, use the keratin treatment, blow dry, flat iron, use my oil, and we'll be done. You'll see the results at the end. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you want any information on any of the products, just look in the description box below. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe right now. Let's wash our hair. Let's wash our hair. Gonna wash my hair. Gonna wash your hair. Let's wash our hair. I'm gonna tell y'all this. This is absolutely a clarifying shampoo. And when I tell you, when you rinse it out, your hair is squeaky clean, like squeaking. It's squeaking clean. So if you have a lot of buildup, this is absolutely a treatment that you want to do if you're planning to flat iron. I'm just saying it's really clarifying, like it's stripping it. Somebody give me my moisture bag. I don't feel that it's stripped until I rinse it out. That's when my hair is like squeaking when I'm rinsing it. It's that clean. So it's definitely a clarifying shampoo. I'm like in a rush for this other treatment. I think I'm gonna keep it in for the 30-something minutes to make sure I get all my love back. It's time to get my love back. Oh yeah. I'm definitely gonna leave this in for the 35 minutes because I need all my love back in my hair. This is my second comb through at the 20-minute mark. And my hair feels heavier and it feels a little thicker to me. This is the last 10 minutes, so it's been in my hair for 30 minutes from 11:25 until 11:55. So this is my last comb through, the third and last comb through. And I'm going to go rinse after this. Yes, I have more shrinkage on my right side than my left. Yep, I do. So next I'm gonna blow dry. Adding my heat protectant all the way through before I blow dry.